Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Wednesday the 7th of August 2024. The ASX 200 Index closed higher again today. The market spent most of the day trading inside the previous bar's range in consolidation and absorption mode, effectively absorbing and removing supply at this price level. The index closed right at the lows of the previous trading range after making a half-hearted challenge to the lows during afternoon trade. And you can see here's the previous trading range here, and the market did push up above the lows of this range during the day. It wasn't a really serious challenge. The reduced volume shows that it wasn't really a serious challenge. The market just popped up there. There was a little bit of supply drawn out and price closed back pretty much right at the lows of that previous trading range. This is the intraday chart. Price came back a little from the open and tested the market for supply. And that's where the market opened here, where the bars arrowed. You can see price came back, tested the market for supply, and then pulled back to the open level with relative ease. The market then pushed higher in response until about midday. That was here. A short period of consolidation took place around lunchtime. That was in here. Then the market traded in bullish absorption mode again for the early afternoon. You can see that here. This is where the market actually pushed up and into the previous trading range. Some increased supply was drawn out in the last hour or so of trade, which caused a moderate late afternoon pullback when the market was actually trading inside the previous trading range. And that was up here. The market pulled back in response and closed pretty much adjacent to the lows of the midday consolidation zone through here. Spread was very similar to yesterday as the market continued to consolidate and absorb supply. This is like a little accumulation zone down here at the moment. Whether it pans out in that fashion, we'll have to wait and see. That's what it's looking like at the moment, and that's what the market's doing. If overseas markets tank again, any buying in here will be dumped, and the market will move lower like this. And if overseas markets do respond positively, there's been some accumulation here, and that'll be carried up higher and possibly used to profit take at a higher level. The close was moderately higher and importantly right at the lows of the previous trading range. Volume was reduced today, which is a general expectation when the market trades inside the previous bar's range for a large part of the day. Selling pressure has certainly reduced at this current price level. And when selling pressure reduces like this, it opens the door for an attempt to push higher in response. Overall, the market has traded in consolidation mode over the past 2 days. Understandably, there was some supply drawn out when price attempted to move above the lows of the previous trading range. I expect that recent trading will have absorbed some of that supply at this level, which in turn will have weakened the resistance to some degree. This will leave the door open for an attempt to push higher when trading conditions are favourable. At the close of trade, the local market finished 19.2 points higher. Thanks for your time. Now, before I go, I'll be going interstate on Friday morning for 5 days. I'm not sure what's going to happen with the daily charts. I should get them done, but they may not be up at the normal times. And it's unlikely there'll be any weekly charts this week. Thanks for your time. See ya.